Welcome to a short tutorial on Software Center, installing Screencastomatic, and sharing videos with students. Software Center is an icon that looks like this on your desktop, and opening Software Center will give you a choice of softwares that the district has given you the option of installing at your discretion. My list shows no items found because I've already installed everything that I can install at my discretion. So I go to installation status in order to reveal the softwares that were an option of mine. Google Earth is an option if you're interested in Google Earth. Land School is used to monitor student computers if they are on a regular computer, not a Chromebook. Screencastomatic you will find on that list. You will find it under your available software tab, and it will have a checkbox next to it. You will select the checkbox, and where this button says reinstall, your button will say install, and you will select install, and it will give you a dialog box that will show you installation progress until the installation of Screencastomatic is completed. Once that's done, you'll close Software Center, and you should have an icon on your desktop somewhere that looks like this. That is the Screencastomatic icon. Now, if I hit that icon right now to launch Screencastomatic, it's going to pause the recording that I'm making for you right now because I'm using Screencastomatic to make that recording. So I can't actually show you the product in the product. So I'm going to continue, and instead of showing you how to create a recording for students, which is an incredibly simple process, I'm going to show you how to share a recording with students once that's done. And then I'm going to use another tool to create a recording that demonstrates Screencastomatic. So once you've got a recording created in Screencastomatic, it'll be an MP4 file. It will be saved on your drive on your computer somewhere, and you will be going to Google. You will be doing your regular login with your district credentials, and then I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to go to my channel on YouTube, which we've got because we have a district subscription. So I haven't done anything fancy like add, specific art for my channel or anything like that. But it's as simple as this when I want to upload a video file that I've got saved on my computer to share with students. I select upload right up here in the corner. And I'm going to select files to upload, or I can drag and drop files from an open window. But selecting files to upload is a relatively simple process. It goes to open. My directory that opens is already in my documents in my Corel Video Studio Pro in the My Project section, because this is where I was last uploading from. But you can access documents anywhere on your computer, just as you normally would. If you've downloaded a video file, you would go to downloads, or wherever you might happen to be looking for a particular file. You would select the one that you want to upload, and up it goes. So in this particular case, I would look at Corel Video Studio Pro. I would look at My Projects, because that's where I create and save work that I edit, is with Corel Video Studio. And then I would just double click on the video that I want to put in, or I can single click it and say open, and it will upload directly to YouTube. I'm not going to upload any of these particular video files because these aren't ones that I wanted to share on YouTube. These are some individual files that I created for a particular campus to share on their campus only. I'm going to go back though and show you some of the other things that I have produced with Screencastomatic. Calendaring and sharing permissions, Outlook and scheduling sharing, a brief Google Classroom. Although, to be fair, this isn't my Google Classroom. I stole this Google Classroom from someone else and adjusted the volume and put it out here. In any case, the process of getting a student then to this YouTube in particular is going to look like this. Once I've got my video uploaded, it's going to show here on the channel. I'm going to go to the particular video that I want to watch. Let's say it was this one. And on YouTube, they start running automatically, so none of that matters. I'm going to go ahead and pause it here. This link is what I want to copy and paste for my students for them to be able to get to it and or watch it. That's kind of a complicated link, Sometimes students may have difficulty typing out that complete string. I use a tool called a URL shortener in order to produce a simpler version of a link to share with students. If you're not familiar with URL shorteners, they're easy to use. Right click and copy on any URL. I keep one that's right here. That is the easiest way to use it, but I'm going to act like I don't have that there, and I'm going to go over here to Google, and I'm going to type in a URL shortener, and there's one right there. I'm just going to, there it is. Now if I paste, right click and paste, and then say shorten URL, this short link that it reveals to me here is much shorter and easier to share with students. I can put that on my board. I can paste it into a document that I blow up big and put on my screen. I can just write it on my whiteboard so that students can get to it. Any student who clicks on this link will then go directly to the video that you have set up for them to watch, that you've just recorded. That's just the easiest way to shorten a URL and point a student at it. If you're interested in how to get this little icon up here, then please go to my YouTube channel and watch my video on adding Chrome extensions. That's where I cover how to add all of the little gadgets that I use up here. In any case, thanks so much for taking a few minutes and watching, and I hope this was at least helpful for getting Screencastomatic installed onto your laptop and getting the video that you create or a video that you've downloaded up to YouTube so your students can get to it easily. Again, thanks so much for your time.